Yeah, I did. Was in there before? Gone. She's gone. You ask me, I think she had something to do with it. And then I started thinking, there was somebody buying antique furnishings in the Anciano Towers for the lobby and whatnot. You know, it just dawned on me. Oh, yeah. No, it's got mine. Give me another freaking card. I'm done. Done. Finished. Don't be bugging me. I'm just a little advisor. If you don't mind, well, you know, they're supposed to be. No. We'll turn around and watch the bathroom. Just like it, I'm not going in here.